Welcome to Snail Trail 4x4. Today we're romping the trucks down the Peligreen Jeep Way. We drove in last night and we spent the night here at Fisher Camp. This was our staging area before we head out onto the trail. It's actually a really nice camp for being in the middle of nowhere. We've got nice coffee tables, not a coffee table, a picnic table. We've got some great fire pits, and we have actually a pit toilet, which wasn't the cleanest, but it's at least nice to have a toilet. It's a great spot for hunters or just an overnight camping trip if you're in this area. There's no water at the campground, but there is a river right down the way, so it's going to be nice just to be able to jump into that or get any water that you might need. So we're going to head out, we're going to go over down the way down towards the creek, and then we're going to go up towards Black Oak Campground. The trail is supposed to be really narrow and a little bit difficult. We're going to see if the 4Runner can handle it.
Small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm so. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to bed. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights at the fire.
So we made it to the top of the big first hill. We're now on a trail, I believe it's called Grapevine Jeep Trail. This is going to lead us to the Peligreen Jeep Trail. This one got significantly more difficult. We actually put it in four-wheel drive just to get up this little hill here. And hopefully it's going to get a little bit more difficult as we continue on.
Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me.
Good weather, good trail, good friends. Cheers.
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 I want you to stay as you are. and come forward if you can. There you go. Good. Good. All right, driver more. All right, straight. A little passenger. Stay right there. Go more passenger. Stay as you are. Go a little driver. Good. Stay as you are. Little driver. 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 Driver.
I've been a real bad boy on the town all night. Starting to calm down with the morning light. I'm in the dirt, down in the dirt. Been real bad. I've been a real bad boy on the town all night. Starting to calm down in the morning light. I'm in the dirt, down in the dirt. Down in the dirt.
That's first time for everything, right?
Down in the dirt. Down in the dirt.
So we've been driving for about 3.5 hours, and the trail has been getting narrower and narrower and narrower. So we've decided to turn ourselves around. The trail is well marked. It is a difficult trail. You do need four-wheel drive. I would advise having an e-locker or some sort of locker in the back, because that did help us get through a lot of sections. So now we're just going to head back down the way we came. We're going to go back to camp. We're going to eat some tacos because it's Cinco de Mayo. So if you want to follow along with more of these adventures, hammer down on that subscribe button. Give us a comment if you have some suggestions on places for us to go travel and explore. And don't forget, keep crawling.